for ages. And especially anything around candles or anything kind of Halloweeny. So I have one mystery box here, and I've ordered a couple more, so hopefully they get along soon. But this one is candles and notes, and they're all Halloween themed. It's the trick or treat box from Cailleach candles, and it's gonna be backwards because I have it on selfie mode, but I will tag them. So this is what's inside. And have a little bookie loop. I really don't want to rip the sticker because it looks cute, but I may have to. Okay, I ripped it. Sorry. Okay. I'm so excited. This is my candles. This is candles. Okay. So this one's first. It's, let me see them. It's the Addams family. They're going to focus right though. And this one, oh, it's got a little petal in it. Ooh. It's really florally. And this one's called English Rose. I'm guessing because Morticia kept roses. I'm guessing. I'm just putting it out there. But this one smells really nice. I'll probably put this one in my bedroom. Because like it's floral, but you know when you get some candles and they've got that really artificial floral smell? These are all handmade. I think they're soy wax. Yes, this is on this. Handmade soy wax. So no artificially cheapy smell. Because I've gotten scented candles in the past and they're just instant migraines. This one is Beetlejuice. It's got, oh, Lydia's so cute. And this one smells, oh, this one has little bits. Probably just tipping it too much now. Yeah, they're going everywhere. You can see. This one smells like a bonfire. And it is sandalwood and black pepper. Oh, it's really good. I love having candles like these because I have a fireplace in the sitting room. This is just a fake fireplace because the boiler is in the middle of it. But I like having sandalwood candles in our actual fireplace because we don't usually light the fire with the kids around. But it gives it a nice smell, kind of like if you have a fire going. Everyone's favorite sisters. Hocus Pocus, Saunderson sisters. This one smells like chocolate chip cookies. I feel like, just to be mean, like the Saunderson sisters, I should light this in the kitchen. And then the kids will come in thinking I'm baking cookies. No, I am not. It is a lie. The scent is called Pandora's Box. But, yeah, it definitely smells like it has cookie ingredients in it. I shall ask the creator of them. And this one is my favorite. That's the Owen sisters. It's Jillian and Sally. Practical Magic was like the music, or the movie for me growing up. And again, there's little bits in it, but they're going everywhere. Oh, it's so citrusy. It is a midnight margarita. And this one is sweet lime. I actually have a midnight margarita candle from Cauldron Candles. It's another one of their candles there. It's an actual cauldron. I like candles. I don't know if you can tell. And then they have wax malt, which is Pumpkin King, and Jack Skellington. How do I get into this? I have to rip it again. Can you see his little face? I can see his little face. Ooh. And these are pumpkin, which is, yeah. Like he's a pumpkin, so pumpkin. That's not the one that I have to look up what I paid for it, because I pre-ordered it back, I think in September. Let me check on the email what the price was. But they do different kind of boxes with different themes depending on the time of the year, and they do individual candles as well, especially coming up to Christmas. Like, a lot of people like scented candles, so if you want to support a small Irish business, they're really great. I love all of these. My favorite, I think, is these lads, because I love anything citrusy. And I might be a little bit biased because it's probably my favorite movie out of a lot. Bit biased. But these are so cute, and yeah, definitely go give Cailleach Candles a follow and check out all their other range because they've got brilliant stuff. Yep, I've ordered a few other mystery boxes from a couple of other small businesses. Some of them are Irish. I think one is from the UK. But yep, let's look at my necklace one from Sweet Acid Witch. It's got Freddy Krueger. I'm getting very spooky with you. But yeah, this is my first attempt at an unboxing video. Don't know how I did. But hopefully a better put together for the next one.